Good afternoon, students. So yesterday we dealt with the simple present tense, and today we are going to see how do we form negative sentence and the tense, how to use it, the simple present tense in the sentence. So the subjects that you can see over here, they all are singular subjects. Okay, these all are singular subjects, and the person, this is the first person, second person, and the third person. Okay, we have a different person over here, and the subjects that I am using, they all are singular subjects. Okay, this is under the category of singular subjects. Okay. Now, how to form? What is the formula of forming a negative sentence, and also at the same time we need to write it in simple present tense. So with the subject I, the first person, the person who is speaking, we use do plus not. HV over here refers to the helping verb. Okay, and this is also a form of be, have and do. Where do we use be, have and do? To form a perfect verb tense, to show when the work was done. I do not sing. I do not sing. This is a negative sentence. Now, how do you understand that this is a negative sentence? You can only understand a negative sentence where no is present in its any of the forms. No, never, not. These all are negative words. Okay, where no is included. Okay. For first person singular subject, we use I, helping verb plus not. Not has to be used in a negative sentence. I do not sing. Second person, we have got you. You do not sing. Helping verb plus not, then the main verb. For third person, we have he, she, it, and name of any person, but singular subject. Okay? Name of any person, singular subject. We use does. We will not use do in the third person. We will use does for third person and singular subject. Okay? He does not sing. She does not sing. Molly does not sing. Okay? So this for the third person singular subject we use does. Okay, but when I am using the plural subjects, the case is different. For first person, I, plural subject becomes we, you remains you, and third person, the subject changes to they. Okay, now we are talking about the plural subject. The plural subject we will only change at one place. Now you see in third person, we are using plural subject. So they does not sing. This sentence is not right. With they, the helping verb that we will use is do. We will not use does. We will use do. They do not sing. But the rest of the places, everything remains the same. Okay? So this is how we form a negative sentence with a singular subject and with a plural subject. Okay? Now we are going to discuss about the interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are generally those sentences that asks you a question. Okay? Now how do we form interrogative sentence into a simple present tense? Okay? We have to ask question also, and we have to make sure that the question is present, is in the form of simple present tense. Okay? So over here I have made a chart with the singular subjects. Okay, we have got the singular subjects. First person, second person, third person, we have the singular subjects. Now to ask question, we use do. Okay, we are using do because we generally see do is used for asking questions. Now over here the formula is we use the helping verb first at the starting of the sentence to ask question. We are not using at the second place, but we are using it at the first place. Do I sing? First person, singular subject, do I sing? A question is formed. Question mark is there, so it becomes a interrogative sentence. Second person, singular subject, do you sing? You will either answer yes or no. There are different types of questions. First of all, there are questions which asks you certain things, which needs information. You will have to give long answers to answer that question. But there are certain questions which can be answered either in yes or no. So over here, we are using only the yes and no questions, which can be answered only in either yes or no. Third one, third person, singular subject, does he, we can use any of these words that is used over here. Does he sing? Does she sing? Does any name of a person? Okay. We use does in the third person for singular subject. With he, she, it and name of person, we use does. Okay. This is a rule. You can't make any changes in these. Okay. This is a rule, and you have your sentence must follow these basic rules. With third person singular subject, you have to use does. But if you are having plural subjects, I changes to we, and he, she, it or name of the person changes to they. Then this does will change to do. With plural subject, you will use do to ask question. And this is the basic formula for forming negative sentence in simple present tense. Okay? This is all for today, and the work is already posted in the WhatsApp group. Kindly do it, and if you have any confusion, just let me know. Okay? Thank you, class.